Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. On this occasion, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dea Putri Amanda from the University of Ma'arif Hasim Latif Sidoarjo, Faculty of Health Science, majoring in Medical Laboratory Technology. The subject of my talk is DHF. My talk will be on 3 parts. In the first part is introduction, in the second part is body, and finally is conclusion. The subject in my presentation is first, meaning of DHF, second, causes of DHF, third, symptom of DHF, fourth, prevention of DHF. What is dengue hemorrhagic fever? Dengue hemorrhagic fever, or DHF, caused by dengue virus infection, transmitted through the bite of the Aedes aegypti mosquito. Dengue fever appears throughout the years and can differ among all ages. The emergence of this disease itself is closely related to behavior, society, and environmental conditions. Dengue fever continues to be a serious health problem in the world. DHF causes from 2020 until 2024. Based on this data, it can be seen that in 2020, DHF cases reached 110,000 cases. In 2021, it will decrease to 70,000 cases. In 2022, it will increase to 130,000 cases. And in 2023, it will decrease to 95,000 cases. Then in 2024, there will be a significant increase to 160,000 cases. It can be concluded that the fewest cases of dengue fever will occur in 2021 and the peak will occur in 2024. Causes of dengue hemorrhagic fever. The cause of dengue hemorrhagic fever is transmitted by the Aedes aegypti mosquito. This mosquito is the cause of dengue fever and transmits the virus when it bites and sucks the blood of its victims. This type of mosquito usually attacks in the morning and evening. Symptoms of DHF: 1. High fever, 2 until 7 days, 2. Dizziness, headache, and pain muscle, 3. Diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, 4. Cold hand and feet, and sleep more often, 5. Bleeding under the skin in the form of red spot on the skin, and nosebleeds. Dengue hemorrhagic fever phase. Fever phase. High fever up to 40 degrees Celsius, accompanied by muscle pain or all over the body, headache, pain around the elbow, nausea, and vomiting. Critical phase. The trickster phase, characterized by a decrease on body temperature to 37 degrees Celsius. If you don't get treatment, platelet will continue to decrease. Healing phase. Will come back to feel the fever. Platelet will rise again and increase appetite. Prevention of DHF. 1. Drying bathtub. 2. Closing water reservoir. 3. recycle used items that are still suitable for use, or bury items that are no longer suitable for use. 4. Wire the windows and fans. 5. Use anti-mosquito medication. And 6. Clean the living environment. Below is a video animation about dengue hemorrhagic fever, so that we can better understanding this disease. Dengue fever is transmitted through the bite of the Aedes aegypti mosquito. An infected mosquito will transmit the dengue virus when it bites a person. This dengue virus belongs to the Flaviviridae virus group, which has 4 different serotypes, namely dengue virus 1, dengue virus 2, dengue virus 3, and dengue virus 4. Understanding serotype is very important because recovery from this disease will provide lifelong protection for only one serotype. Ongoing infection with other serotypes increases the risk of developing more severe disease. In case of a mild encounter, the patient will recover in about a week. In some cases, however, symptoms can worsen and become life-threatening. Blood vessels become affected adversely and eventually get leaky. The clot-forming platelet in the blood decrease in number, which leads to increased susceptibility of the patients to bleed. This condition is known as severe dengue or DHF. This is characterized by severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, bleeding from the patient's nose, bleeding for gums, bleeding under the skin which appears like purplish bruises, feeling tired and restless, hematuria, blood observed in stool and vomit, and eventually the patient can slip into shock. They may have cold, clammy skin, tachycardia, and hypotension, which can cause death. Dengue virus infection can be confirmed by applying virological tests that detect the virus or their elements, or serological tests that detect the substance produced in our body during the infection. The examples of virological methods include 1. Virus isolation, 2. Reserve transcriptase, polymerase chain reaction, or RT-PCR methods. The purpose is to multiply the viral RNA by using enzyme several cycle times until it can be detected. In general, these tests are sensitive, but they require specialist equipment and technical training for implementing the test, which might not always be available in all medical facilities. The example of serological methods are 1. NS1 detection. NS1 is a protein produced by the cells that are infected by the dengue virus. 2. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, or ELISA. It detects the antibodies that are produced by our body to fight the virus. Here's a short video animation about dengue hemorrhagic fever. So, conclusion of dengue hemorrhagic fever is disease caused by the dengue virus, which enters the human bloodstream through the bite of the Aedes aegypti mosquito. And only female Aedes aegypti mosquito can transmit this virus. From the data obtained, the most dengue cases will occur in 2024. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.